This is Airgun Squirrels Deep in the Woods. This is a pest control video featuring squirrels being shot with an air rifle. If you think this is going to offend you, please find something else to watch now. This footage has all been on a previous channel of mine that was terminated under YouTube's community guidelines. Therefore, I do not show the animals bouncing up and down after they've been shot or profusely bleeding. The clips within this video are in no particular order, they're just as I've dragged them off the hard drive, and I'll go through the kit at the end as usual. Usually on the squirrel shoots, first thing we do is check the old zero with my homemade spinner. That'll do nicely. First guy comes along. Smells good. Little sort out. And one in the box. So tempting when they sit like that. Not worth the chance though, because they move, not like rats. Where is he? Now I thought that was a bad shot. Well, I suppose it was in a way. Right, he's there. Can you see him down the bottom of the picture? If you look at him carefully, just by his eye, you can see where the pellet hit him, right between the eyes basically. I have to go down there with my air pistol and finish him off. Now when this squirrel come along, I was a bit undecided whether it was a buck or a doe. Not really sure. Oh, well, someone will tell me in the comments. Well, whatever sex it was, it won't be doing a lot of action now. Oh, him again. He gets about. Quite a lot of him here. Good luck to him. Get there eventually. Right, due to my previous YouTube life, I'll terminate there. That ended up a good shot. He's dancing just behind that bit of foliage there down the bottom. I picked him up later. Oh, he's back. Got loads of robins in this wood. And he's down and out. He's down behind the foliage again, dancing up and down. There's a bit jungle like there, so it's a job to see him. So I'm not actually looking for a squirrel right now. There was a lot of blackbird distress squawking a couple of minutes ago. It's all gone quiet. I'm looking at it on a big screen now, so I can see it, but I couldn't when I'm scanning around earlier amongst all this stuff. But there's a magpie, and there's its mate. So I've got the first one, but unfortunately, I'll get back to his mate. He moves, so I don't get him. Never mind, one in the bag. So this guy looks like he's coming in the right direction, but he changes his mind. So you've got to go back to a clip a little while back, and you'll find this guy in exactly the same spot. It's uncanny, isn't it? But watch the first shot and watch that twig. And that twig made it a miss. And I'm about 18 yards away and he heard all the clicking. But he won't be hearing it anymore. When I did the original footage of this, these Bushnell trail cam bits were picture in picture on the original thing, but I couldn't do it this time. It's all over the place, and I just sort of tag them on the end. Followed Hunter's Vermin channel for a long while, and David in Hunter's Vermin uses his shot track recorder quite a lot. Mine ought to come out a bit more, but I've often had trouble with the old wind noise, but it comes out now and again. Air rifle used for the first part of this video is a BSA Ultra in 22 caliber UK sub 12 foot-pound spec. This was bought in 2013. Scope on top is a Mark 1, the original ATNX sight, 5x20. Not a lot you can say about it really. I'm not a particular lover of it. All sorts of issues, but that's what we've got for now. Well, one of the issues is the horrible mount system. Useless. Pellets used are RWS Super Hollow Points. This rifle seems to love them. All my others absolutely hate them. There's one on the garden table. And that's a 5-shot group at 20 yards. The last couple of clips with the big rubber hooded pheasant feeders. The gun is a UK sub 12 foot-pound spec 177 caliber Viarc HW100. And the video of course is captured with an ATN shot track, and there's a fuzzy picture of it. Favourite airgun pellets for this gun are Air Arms Field. That's my view of one of the feeders I was shooting. Sitting from here, and in front of me I'll have a Mad Max fold up camo thingy. Easy to set up and carry. And this fella here is not on the quarry list for today. He's pretty close though, he's only about 4 or 5 yards away. Anyway, that's the end of the action for now. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and hope to do more very soon. Thank you.